So I'm going to do another overview of my 2019 fatbob. It's pretty much fully built from after I crashed. Unfortunately, there's been some changes. There has been some upgrades, some motor work done, and just a few changes overall, really. So I still have the dougzcustom Spartan Mini with the 6-up windscreen. My original Spartan Mini was blown apart in pieces on the road after I crashed. Took a pretty bad beating, and luckily the Spartan Mini held up. Scratches there. I got the Memphis Handguards right here. I put those on in the winter, or like the cold summer months when it starts to get chilly and near the fall and stuff. So it really helps out here in Michigan. I have the Flow Moto adjustable levers, performance machine grips with the Renthals on there. I really like those. I have the Saddlemen step up with probably 25,000 miles at least with the seat on there. It's a dream. I love it. The seat's pretty firm, so it's pretty nice. Going on to my exhaust, I used to have the Cobra El Diablo 2-in-1 on there. Now it is the S&S Superstreet 2-in-1, the race only version. I took the baffle out. I really like the sound of this a lot more than the other one. This one's seems to be decent performing exhaust as well. I had the Crossthread Cycles MX style pegs on there before. I decided to go with their mini floorboards. And then also I have the brake lever for the Softails from Crossthread Cycle. I have the Fuel Moto AC/DC air cleaner. I have a little breather going on to the other side. I'll show you guys. My cam is the S&S 475 cam with the 2020 oil pump and still the 2019 cam plate. My transmission, I just had a brand new transmission put in, unfortunately, but that's all right. This is the bunking high bar for the 2018 plus Softails. It fits with forwards. I'm not sure if it fits with anything else, but I would assume so. Recently I got the LA Fairing Co. carbon fiber fender. That's really nice. I'm going to end up doing a rear fender and everything too, so that's in the future. Moving on to the left side of the bike, I have the, as you can see, maybe if you can, the S&S cylinders on there. So this is now a 128 from the 114. So it's a 128 stock heads with S&S valve springs. And I have the Barnett Scorpion clutch in there, and also the Dark Horse compensator delete sprocket, whatever it is. These carbon fibers right here are actually just a wrap, so I wanted to see what it would look like, and it looks pretty sweet. But this is real carbon fiber. That's a wrap. I'm gonna end up doing my rear fender in the wrap. That was just kind of a test yesterday I did, and I actually really kind of like it, so I'm gonna do that for now until I get the actual carbon fiber pieces. This is my catch can. See if we got anything in there. Probably not, but that's the catch can that's attached to my air filter. I have the Big Al Cycles 6-inch pullback risers, and also the Big Al Cycles Moto Bar, I believe these are called. 28 inches wide. It is a little narrow, but I had 28-inch wide on my other one, and it was alright. There's a giant dent right here from the crash. I have a brand new tank at home. I just haven't got around to putting it on yet. The flush mount fuel cap for the 2018 Plus Softails, I really like that. That Harley channel, just some vinyl I did. On the rear I have a 200 Avon Cobra chrome. I really like the 200s a lot more than the 180. It seems to ride a little better and it hooks up pretty good. On my tail light, I did the Custom Dynamics fatbob LED strip thing. I think they call it a tail light raw, and I was the prototype tester for that. And then I also got the Cadence Motorsports license plate relocation kit. I also went to the Screamin' Eagle 64mm throttle body and intake manifold. Turn it on here and give you a couple revs. I also did the cruise control. I wish I did that from factory. That is a dream. This bike sounds great. It sounded great with the other exhaust and the 475 cam, but this one, I mean, it sounds fantastic now with the 128 and everything. I love it. And this is also a wrap. Give you a couple revs there. I mean, this bike sounds fantastic. So that's going to do it for this overview. For the most part, this has pretty much completed my build, minus my cases. My cases aren't on there right now. I have the Pelican Vault V250 cases, as well as the custom mount. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment if you want some more. As you can see, I'm gonna be riding all winter here in Michigan. Enjoy your guys' rides, ride safe, and have a great day.